click on the video clip. At the top, go to Captions. Select the caption style that you want to generate for your captions. So you can scroll down, browse through all the options available, and choose the one that you like the most. So for this example, I like the highlighter option. I'm going to make sure that I apply it to all of my media and then generate captions. And now Canva has automatically generated these captions for you. So if I play the video, this is what it looks like after I've washed it. So the stains are removable, and if you're looking for a cooking pan, I definitely recommend checking this product out. So you can extend the captions to cover the entire video length so that there's no gap in between like you saw previously. I can just extend it by dragging the bars from the left hand or the right hand side. You can also edit the captions. So if for some reason the automatically generated captions did not quite generate the word that you want, you can just click on the caption itself and you can start typing, you can add, you can delete, whatever you want. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.